Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. You may have noticed that the screen on your Lenovo Legion 5 is cracked and visibility has become an issue. This often happens due to accidental drops or impacts. If left unrepaired, the damage could worsen, leading to further complications and potentially more expensive repairs down the line. To successfully replace the screen, you'll need a few tools: a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement screen compatible with the Lenovo Legion 5. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by carefully prying open the device's back cover using the plastic opening tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is removed, locate the screen connector. It's usually situated near the top of the device. Disconnect the battery first to ensure safety, then carefully detach the screen connector using your tweezers. You might need to unscrew a few screws that hold the screen in place. These are often small and require a precision screwdriver. Remember to keep track of these screws, as losing them could complicate the reassembly. When removing the screen, gently lift it away from the device, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Place the new screen in position, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the connector. Reattach the screen connector and screw it in place securely. Reconnect the battery and carefully snap the back cover back onto the device. Power it on to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you have completed the replacement. To prevent similar issues in the future, consider using a protective case and a screen protector. These can provide an additional layer of security against accidental drops and impacts. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.